Landscaping is more than just arranging plants. It's about creating an experience the moment someone approaches your home. Even the smallest front yard has the power to make a lasting impression when designed with creativity and care. In this video, we'll uncover how thoughtful layouts, elegant arches, and charming gates can transform a modest outdoor area into a stylish garden entryway. From clever color palettes to finishing touches, get ready to discover ideas that will inspire your own beautiful small front yard makeover. Every transformation begins with observation. Step outside and take a fresh look at your yard. Notice the natural light patterns, the position of existing plants, and the direction of foot traffic. Small yards thrive when space is used wisely. Measure pathways, sketch possible layouts, and imagine how features like arches or a cozy gate could fit. Think of it as setting the foundation for your canvas without clear assessment. Even the best design ideas can fall flat. The goal is to balance function with beauty. Your design theme determines the soul of your garden entryway. A modern style often relies on clean lines, sleek pathways, and minimal plant groupings. A classic theme might use brick, wrought iron gates, and symmetrical plantings. Rustic gardens embrace wood, natural stone, and warm earth tones for a cozy, timeless charm. Choosing a theme early keeps your yard cohesive and prevents mismatched elements. Whether you want sophistication, tradition, or comfort, your style should reflect both your home's architecture and your personal taste. Focal points anchor the eye and guide visitors. A graceful arch covered in climbing vines, a charming wooden gate, or a bold stone entrance instantly elevates even the smallest yard. These elements provide structure while telling a story about your home. Materials matter. Wood adds warmth, iron suggests strength, and composite blends durability with style. Think about scale too. Oversized arches can overwhelm, while smaller gates risk getting lost. The right proportions create a welcoming pathway that feels intentional and inviting. Colors have emotional power. In small gardens, the right palette can make the space feel larger and more harmonious. Soft neutrals like beige or cream create calm, while warm earth tones add coziness. Pops of bold color, deep red blooms, or bright ceramic planters can highlight key areas without clutter. When selecting hues, consider how your arches, gates, and pathways will interact with surrounding plants. Repetition is key. A consistent palette ties the garden together, turning random features into a unified, stylish entryway. Pathways aren't just practical, they set the rhythm of your garden. A straight path feels formal and structured, while a curved stone walkway invites curiosity and a sense of discovery. Gravel, brick, or stepping stones can add texture and personality. In small spaces, pathways should subtly guide the eye toward focal points like an arch or a cozy seating nook. Add low ground cover plants along the edges to soften transitions and make the journey through your garden feel both natural and enchanting. Your gate is the handshake of your home, the first detail guests notice. Beyond security, it communicates style and character. Wooden gates bring warmth and rustic charm, while iron designs convey elegance and timelessness. Composite materials balance durability with creativity, allowing for modern patterns and finishes. Pair your gate with lighting or potted plants to frame it beautifully. Remember, the gate is more than an entrance. It's a statement of welcome, setting the stage for what lies beyond in your garden. Arches bring vertical elegance, lifting the eye upward and making compact yards appear larger. A wooden arch covered in roses feels romantic, while a sleek metal frame with climbing ivy delivers modern sophistication. Arches also provide structure for vertical gardens, offering both beauty and functionality. Placement is essential. Position arches at transitions like between the sidewalk and front door to create a sense of arrival. Done right, an arch transforms an ordinary entrance into a grand garden statement full of charm and drama. When the sun sets, lighting ensures your garden remains alive. Pathway lights provide safety while guiding visitors. Uplighting accentuates arches and trees, and lanterns near gates add warmth. Small yards benefit from subtlety. Too much lighting can overwhelm. Think layers, a gentle glow on the path, a soft spotlight on a gate, and a twinkle of string lights around plants. With thoughtful placement, lighting highlights architectural beauty, extends usability into the evening, and creates a magical, welcoming atmosphere every night. Plants breathe life into design. In compact yards, selecting the right species is vital. Choose small shrubs, ornamental grasses, or compact flowering plants to avoid overcrowding. Vertical growers, such as clematis or jasmine, save space while adding lush greenery on arches. Seasonal planting keeps the yard lively spring blooms. Summer greens, autumn colors, and winter evergreens ensure year-round charm. Group plants by texture and color to add layers of interest. The right plant palette turns limited space into a thriving, dynamic garden. Final touches turn a yard into your yard. Decorative accents like lanterns, vintage signs, or artistic statues infuse personality. A small bench beneath an arch creates an intimate nook, while a compact water fountain adds tranquility. Container gardens near gates bring seasonal flexibility, allowing you to refresh designs effortlessly. Even the smallest details, like matching planters or hand-painted pots, tie the design together. These accents make the space not only elegant, but also uniquely yours, a garden entryway that reflects warmth, creativity, and individuality. A small front yard, when thoughtfully designed, can become a true statement of elegance and charm. By assessing your layout, choosing a style, and incorporating features like arches, gates, lighting, and carefully chosen plants, you create more than just a garden. You create an experience. Add personality through decorative accents and cozy seating to make the space both functional and memorable. With the right balance of creativity and practicality, landscaping allows even the most modest yard to shine with timeless beauty.